Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am really happy to have you here. We are going to decorate a ketogenic cake with fresh flowers. I'm gonna show you how to do it and how to make it food safe. And what happened, my friend organized a party for his wife and they booked the castle for a 20+ event, and the castle cancelled in the last moment that they are unable to deliver this party, and I got hired to cater this event. And the biggest thing I think on such a party is the cake, and I want to make it extremely nice. So I'm going to take you with me how it's going to be done. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. If you are new to my channel, I am Yvette. I am a ketogenic health coach. I coach one-on-one. If you are interested on this, head to my website and book a time with me. I do recipe videos just like this one and share my weight loss journey with keto and intermittent fasting and share my tips. If this is something for you, hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my video. And now let's get to the decoration. Alright, this is the cake, one of the cake. This will be the main cake. This is what we will have the candles on. And this we will decorate with fresh flowers. You need flowers. I choose some big head roses, some smaller ones, some other pink flowers. And to make this food safe, you need tape what you use for painting to cover window shield, bubble straw with big holes in it so the flowers can fit in it. And yeah, let's get to it. What you do, you choose a flower. I choose this big headed one as my main part of the composition, and you take away the leaves. And now we will cut about this much, and then this how big is our rose. And then now I am gonna use the leaves individually, like putting them nicely together like this one, and then you use a little tape to tape them together. And you make sure you cover the edges so no chemicals will go into the cake. You see, we fully close the edges. Okay, so this is done like this. And then what you do, we will add our rose to it. And you can move the leaves as you want them to look like. I think this would be nice like this. Like this, and now I will tape them together. And on the same way, we cover the edge of the rose to make sure we don't get any chemicals from the plants or from the roses into our cake. And I just make sure that I tip correctly the end. Okay, so here you go. This is how it looks. You can see the tip is fully covered, nothing will get through this. And now you need a bubble straw. I will choose a pink one. And then you need to cut a little bit longer than your flower actually. So it would be like this, and I will cut it like about that much. And place the plant in it. And this is the reason you needed a bit bigger one, so you can press it into this like it. You see, it went in it. This is how it looks. We left a little space, so there is space for it. And now we will put this into the cake. And now you just place it into where you want it. I will probably put it here. It's a bit too long, so I will cut it a bit shorter, but this is how you do it. And then you just place it in, and then you go in with the next one, next to it, and it's going to be really just beautiful. Okay, and now there is only one hole left, and I'm gonna put this rose in here with some leaves, and then this is done. Piece will go in. Here you go. And this is how our beautiful birthday cake looks like. I'm really happy with the result. It's very nice and girly. Okay guys, here is the cake. This is how it looks like. I think it became very beautiful and rustic and girly. This will be one of the main cake with the candles on. and it's super easy and quick to make it such a nice way, your ketogenic cake. I hope you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye guys.